Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm going to show you this chips which is in a flavor of beetroot, and the company which is manufacturing is Hunter's Gourmet. So this is how it looks like. The packaging is very beautiful, white and in reddish color, and it says beet whole grain chips, so the better chip. What else? The nutritional information is mentioned over here, like energy, protein, carbohydrate, fat, cholesterol. Oh, the cholesterol is 0. That's nice. I don't know whether whatever is written in the pack is always true or not, but let's try this new package of chips. Let's open it with the help of scissors. Wow, this is how it looks like. I'm gonna show you a few. As you can see the outside, how they have mentioned in package the chips, it looks exactly same, man. See, the color wise, the texture, the small black spots in it, it looks exactly same. Now I'm gonna taste it and let you know how it tastes. Nice. It has a taste of, first the taste of corn, right? Then again some crispiness. Beetroot, I can't find out whether in a taste I can feel that it has beetroot. They have added a salt, which I would say it's beetroot is quite sweet, and they have added salt. The taste of beetroot has already gone down. That's why I'll not say it's 100% beetroot is there, because I can't taste it. So that's all for today. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe, and if you have tasted this product earlier, let me know whether you like it or not. Thank you friends. Bye bye.